Now that is very random. Jerky, pickles, and jam, and nuts and fruit. Okay, I have to go in here. It's so random. Oh, yum. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh, this is what I'm looking for. Pickled garlic. But Italian, not actually hot. Hot eggs. So Polska. All right, let's see how much of this is pure black pepper. All right, let's read ingredients here. Beef, soy, fail. See, soy sauce has wheat. I don't know if you people know that, but soy sauce has wheat. Well, you're the one to know. Is any of your jerky non-soy with no wheat, gluten-free?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, because I'm like, I could sit and read them all, or I could ask you.
Yeah.
Like, read it, soy, and then my heart drops. I go, nothing for me ever.
We have 2 different flavors.
Okay. Oh, I see how far I would have had to get there, so thank you.
All the time.
Thank you. Oh, you just use gluten-free. Okay. All right, well, here, we're going to try them. My daughter happens to love this stuff.
Yeah.
And then I could try it. Oh, that's a lot of honey. Oh, brown sugar.
Yep.
What's the sugar amount? Well, do these come in the small size?
No, just that.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I'll have to make sure my daughter's around. She loves jerky. I'm not sure I do, but I'm like, I want to try some new things. And there's no greens. Pineapple juice, huh? All right, and what is 3? So, no, I'll do 2.
All right, you want a receipt?
Yes, please.
Okay.
That's the only reason I did it, because you said
Oh, some tea places. Yeah, so I got these 2. And my daughter will eat them, for sure. I'll try them.
start walking that way.
Hmm.
Cafe.